man right here. This is Cousin Eddie with AB Portables. He does awesome work, and we're in the rain, but we're getting her pumped out. All right, so Cousin Eddie, how many gallons can this thing hold?
So this particular truck holds about 1,200 gallons in total. It's a 1,200 gallon tank. So about 300 gallons of water and 900 gallons of septic. This is one of our smaller trucks. We do have some that hold a total of 15 in total, 400 of water and 1,100 of waste. We do have bigger trucks for septic, of course, 2,500, 3,500, and 4,000 gallons. And those are the big monster trucks that you see going down the road. All these trucks can handle the whole route stay worth Fort Johns, which is anywhere from 50 to 100, depending on how much driving we have. Or on camper side, about 30 campers.
Wow. So how many RVs a year, if you had to guesstimate, would you say you pump out?
In the thousands.
Wow.
We roll through a bunch. We do a bunch to at least, I would say, 5,000 plus septic tanks. And in a total, right now we have about 1,300 to 1,400 Porta Johns out. Then we do events as well, which we can get on an average year 20,000 toilets out.
Wow.
So a lot of business.
That's amazing. So if you're in the North Carolina area and you need your RV pumped out, AB Portable Toilets is the person to call, and ask for Cousin Eddie. And he will hook you up.
Thanks, sir.
So, today was a big day. We had to pump out the black tank. Why, you ask? Because we are getting ready to break out of the driveway. I'm telling you, like, we've been sitting here in the driveway for over 4 weeks, dying to get the Riverstone out and down the road into a campground, and now we have the opportunity. However, I thought it'd be a great idea to make sure all the poo, all the stuff's out, and travel a little lighter. We had AB Portables come out, and you saw Cousin Eddie. He did a fantastic job. I really like him, by the way. Actually, it's AKA Ryan, but he did a great job. You know, I love AB Portables. They came here on site, and they take care of us. I mean, it's just, I mean, these guys are on it. They're sharp. I really like them a lot. So I highly recommend them if you're in North Carolina and you need to have your black water tank pumped out. AB Portables. Don't forget that.